In this tutorial, we will understand how to configure discount based on the services. To access the services screen, log into SuperAdmin, navigate to Master Services. Now click on the service you want to edit. Click on View Edit Service Workflow. Here, you can select this option. Discount will be applicable or not applicable. Now, I am selecting discount will be applicable on the dry cleaning services in store 1. Or while saving this configuration, I can choose in which stores the discount will be applicable on dry cleaning. So it means if required, I can have different combination of services discounting structure on different stores. I may have discount available on dry cleaning services on all of the stores, or I may have discount available on dry cleaning services on some of the stores, maybe the new one which I recently opened. Click on Save, Update, configuration is updated. Let us understand how the discount is going to apply in the order. But before that, let us choose one more configuration. Here in the alteration, I am choosing discount is not applicable. So now I have two configuration. A service which has discount applicable in all of the stores. Another service which do not allow discount on any of the stores. I am creating an order with alteration. Remember, the alteration do not have discount applicable. And dry cleaning, same shirt, same amount. Now, I am applying 10% flat discount. So it's percentage 10. We will understand the difference between percentage and flat discount. Click on Save. Now, check the invoice. On the alteration, we do not have any discount applicable. On dry cleaning, we have 10% discount applicable and it is calculated automatically. Now, let's create another order. I am using same configuration, a shirt for alteration and a shirt for dry cleaning. However, this time I am specifying flat discount of 10 rupees. Click on Save. Now see the difference. Here, although I have specified that there will be no discount on alteration and there will be discount on dry cleaning. However, while providing discount, I have selected flat option. So in the flat option, it do not take care of discounting structure configured based on the services. Flat discounts mean simple, plain, flat discount. Whatever amount you specify in the flat discount is applied automatically to all the line items or all the garments. In percentage discount, it calculates discount based on the percentage that you have specified and depending on the services configuration for the discount you have done. I hope it makes clear how to use different combination of discounting structure based on percentage and flat discount. Thank you.